Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making this makeup look right here, which is what I'm calling my punk makeup look, because I really just wanted to try out the darker section of the Smashbox LA Cover Shop palette, and it's just going to be a super dark, bold, edgy punk look. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So hopefully the camera's focused, because I spent a long time yesterday filming a video and I thought I was in focus the whole time, and it turns out it wasn't after watching, and that's gonna really bother me. Also, I'm at home for spring break and I was planning on filming earlier, but a lot of things came up, and so it's like getting dark, so hopefully the lighting isn't too bad. And then also the dogs outside have decided that they're gonna bark now, and my sister decided that she's gonna take a shower, and it's literally on the other side of this wall, and she's also playing super loud music, and this chair is very squeaky. So hopefully I can actually use this video, because I do not want to spend all my time filming it and not be able to use it. So now that we're hopefully focused, so I already have my face makeup on and I have my eyes primed, so we are just gonna jump right into the eyeshadow. And I'm going to start with this shade right here. This is Nectar. And I'm just going to place that all over my eyelid. I'm just blending that all the way to the brow bone. Okay, so I'm going to taking this gray shade right here. This one is called Pang. Just a nice matte gray. And I'm going to put that right in my crease. And I'm going to blend it a little bit above the crease as well. This is the brush I was using just then. And now I'm going in with this smaller fluffy brush. And I'm just going to take the darkest shade in the palette, which is this one right here. This one is called Java. And I'm just going to blend that directly into the crease. I just like to take my really big fluffy crease brush and go in and blend that out. Then I'm going to take this gray shade right here, and this one is called Platinum, of course. I'm just going to place Platinum on my entire lid. I'm going to blend out the edges with my fluffy brush again. Now I'm going to go in with this brush right here. This is kind of an angled, like an angled pencil brush almost. And I'm going to take the purple shade in the palette. This one is called East Cider. And I'm going to go ahead and line my lash line with this. So now I'm going to take this angled brush right here. I'm going to get it wet with just some setting spray, and I'm going to dip that back in the purple and line even closer to my lash line this time. I like how that looks, so I'm just going to leave it there. I was thinking maybe I wanted to do a winged eyeliner, but I think that I want to leave the purple just on its own because I like how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and do underneath my eyes. So I'm going to take my fluffy brush that I like to use for under my eyes, and I'm going to go in with the gray shade right here, which is Platinum, and just go ahead and place that underneath my eyes. And again, we're going for Smokey, so I'm not going to be too worried about getting it like super close to my lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the purple shade again on the same brush and place that on my lower lash line as well. I'm going to kind of wing it out. Why not? Bold, dark, smoky look, so. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the eyeliner that comes in the Smashbox LA Cover Shop palette. This is the Smashbox Always On Gel Eyeliner. And I'm just going to place that in the waterline to add a little bit of dimension and to thicken the lash line and help my false lashes blend in with my natural lashes. And now if you wanted to make it like a super, like a way more dark look and just bold, you can line the lower lash line as well, like the lower waterline. I'm not going to do that because I think that it does close off the eyes a little bit and makes your eyes look smaller, so I personally don't like to do that, but if you do want to go super bold and dark, then you can add that step as well. So now for lashes, I'm just going in with these Lily lashes. So what you want to do is go ahead and place them on your eyelid just to measure out how they're going to fit. So these ones I can already tell are super long. So you can see that if I were to put them on, they'd be like right in the inner corner here. Obviously, we don't want that because that's going to make them super uncomfortable and that's what's going to be poking you. We want them to be starting like right where your pupil is if you're looking forward. I'm just going to trim off one of the little clusters on the end. And you always want to make sure to trim from the end. That way, the part that blends into your natural lashes is going to stay intact and the part that is in the inner corner won't be pokey and sharp. Next, you want to go in with mascara. So I'm just going in with the purple again and touching that up. So now it's time for the last step, which is lips. This is the darkest lip color that I have right now, so hopefully it is dark enough to make me look punk. Okay, so there is the finished makeup look. So now I've done several looks with the LA Cover Shop palette, and honestly this is like seriously the most versatile palette you could ever get. I think all the shades are beautiful. And I've been using this pretty much constantly, so I would highly recommend getting this. It is definitely worth it. It's only $45 for a full-size palette like this with super nice packaging, a magnetic closure, which you've probably been hearing throughout the entire video. A pretty good-sized mirror in here, lots of different shades, and plus it comes with a full-size Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in the shade Fishnet, so just a black eyeliner, perfect for your waterline. And this retails for $18 and it comes in this palette and you get both of these for just $45. So super good deal. I would highly recommend checking it out. All the rest of the products that I used except for the lashes are available in the Wildcat Shop, so be sure to go check those out. There's a lot of amazing products in the Wildcat Shop. You can come in and see me and talk to me, ask me any makeup questions you have. You can also ask me any questions on Instagram or just in the comments here on YouTube. So yeah, I think that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video. Right there. Oh, right there.